The Celts had many different gods, all themed around nature. However, their religion was far more than just nature worship. Every Celtic tribe would have had their own gods and goddesses, themed on their surroundings and traditions. However, there were a few notable gods frequent amongst the Celtic peoples. These were Tyrannus, the god of thunder, Meponos, the god of youth, Belinus, the sun god, Cernunnos, the horned one, Epona, the horse god, Tortatis, the god of war, and finally Lo, the god of trade and technology. They would have been worshipped in similar ways to any other pagan religion, through sacrifice and divination. Many people believe that the Celts built Stonehenge. However, it was built at least 1,000 years before the Celtic culture ever entered the British Isles. Saying that, the Celts also used it for worship. The priests of the Celts were known as the Druids.
Be sure to check out my other channel, History Sticks, for the complete, longer and comprehensive video.